Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to use Sugo app, so let's start. Sugo app, it's a voice chat party. You can create parties, virtual parties, with your friends or with different people to meet any people on the world or in your city or your area where you live. So it's easy to download. You can download on App Store, on Google Play Store, and then when you do it, you can register. So, for example, you can meet people. It's more chat, voice chat than anything. So you can check it, and then you can register. You can check here the party. There are many people. You can also do a video, connect with friends, etc. So in Let's Fun, you can check here how it's the fun with chatting with the different friends, people here, and also you can have a private chat with someone if you like or something like that. You can do it as well. You can have your profile and you can verify your profile and check if the person is real or not. It's important to know it because some apps you don't know if the person is real. So with this you can check it. We have also share. You can share many things here, your life or something like that, and get popularity on the app. So it's here say a video call application which you can connect with others, video call and chat with anyone you want. Join various voice room. We offer you the best social experience chatting online anytime. Local users forget about boring room, specify short rooms, and those kind of things. So I recommend you to download. If you prefer, you can download completely free, as you can see, as you can find in Google Play Store. And when you download, well, you can start fun with Sugo app. So guys, I hope this works for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and don't forget to give us thumb up to this video.